Mm. Oh. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take a cat poop. Oh, wait, I forgot something. Can you stop being toxic for once, Dyer? Jeez. No, Phoenix. I can be toxic whenever I can. Can you turn that off? Oh, of course, Susie, my love. I love you too. Just exactly why we're even here anyways. Shut up. Why don't you two knock it off? Why don't you two knock it off for once? Whatever, man. I'm out of here. Hey! Oh, a quarter. Okay, you just did it. Max, what's going on? I just don't trust Dyer, man. I just don't trust Kitty Bro. You know, Miasis, I just don't trust him. He's so toxic. It's just how he is. Get used to it. Okay, if you wish. You're lucky Susie's nice. Oh, come on. It was just a joke. It's just a joke. Could you take a joke? Ew, what'd you do that for? Oh, I thought you were choosing. You weirdo. You're just a bunch of weirdos. Hey, we are not weirdos. It's just who we are. Yeah, I got a problem with that? Oh, now you just hurt my feelings. I'm just... No, Kitty Bro, don't. Phoenix, look what you did. Apologize to him right now. Fine. I'm sorry. They're happy? Yes. I'm just gonna sit and relax. Yeah, you do. Ah! I did not mean to do that. I'm gonna work at your feet. Yeah, they look like a fox. Oh my god, your cape's glitching there, Phoenix. Ha 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 ha, very funny. This. Leave me alone, Tuesday. I need some privacy. Okay, Kitty Bro. Kitty Bro, come here, come here, come here. He didn't mean it. You mean it, Tuesday? Yeah, here. Hug. Sure. Oof. Oh, I moved.